Sunshine. So today I have my December Birchbox to unbox with you guys, and I am so excited to check this guy out because look how cute the packaging is. It's so festive without necessarily being like Christmas or anything like specific holiday specific. Like, it's just fun. It's really different. I love the gold metallic on this, but on the back it says magic inside. I just picked up on that. So basically Birchbox is $10 a month, and then you get 45 samples. If you've ever heard of Ipsy, Birchbox is very similar. The only difference is I've seen a lot of you guys say that the samples you get inside of Birchbox are a lot smaller than what you get in Ipsy, and I have to say I haven't picked up on that. Like, I haven't noticed that yet, but I guess we will see with this month's box. So the first thing that I am pulling out is a $10 off your next order from Birchbox. That's a nice little coupon to have. The first thing that I'm pulling out is this Wish Vanilla Lip Scrub. And I will not be testing this out for you guys today because I had a very bad allergic reaction to it, which I don't put on this lip scrub at all. That's totally on me. I'm having some problems with some unknown allergies right now, and I promise you I'm going to be getting testing soon. But after trying out this lip scrub, it was only vanilla scented. It wasn't vanilla flavored, which I was honestly kind of shocked because I own my own vegan and cruelty-free cosmetic company called Little Pearl Cosmetics, and I sell my own flavored edible lip scrubs. I currently have over 136 different flavors you can choose from, but all of my lip scrubs are come in 2-ounce jars. And they're all $5 a piece. So I have an Etsy shop. You can find me on Etsy at Little Pearl Cosmetics. I have a link down in the comment section down below. But this jar is $5. All of my lip scrubs are flavored. All of my lip scrubs are completely safe to eat. I actually have a friend who's diabetic, and she'll keep one of my lip scrubs in her purse, and she'll dip into it when her blood sugars get too low to eat because, like, again, my lip scrubs are flavored. They're 100% safe to eat, and you can use it on your lips to exfoliate. So I have to admit, like, after having, like, you know, built my own cosmetic company and then seeing something like this, and it's only vanilla scented, but it's a product you use on your lips, but you're not supposed to ingest it, was very confusing and disappointing. Next product that I pulled out, oh my gosh, this I freaking love. So this is the Beach Waver Co. Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. Hairspray, definite need in my life. Heat protectant, I probably need it. It says hold level is 1, but it smells like pomegranate, and the scent alone, like, if you sell a hair product and it's like, it has great hold, like, okay, but you will win me over as a lifelong customer if your hair product smells amazing. And this smells like, it says pink sugar. Polynesian pink sugar is the scent, but this smells like pomegranate, and it smells so incredibly nice. Like, I just want my entire body to smell like that. It smells so incredible. But I'm really excited to get like a decent sized hair sample in my Birchbox, and I'm so in love with the scent. The packaging is really cute. This is really the only product in this box that I'm very impressed with, I will admit, but I'm really happy that I did get it in this box. Next thing that I received is this ultra slim brow pencil from BB London, and why has no other company sent me a freaking brow pencil? Thank you, Birchbox. Now, this doesn't technically match my true brow color. It is like a blondish color. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but I desperately need a brow pencil in my life, and I'm waiting on my Ulta order to ship. So I'm so happy that I got this in my box. I don't know if this is full size. I'm going to assume it's full size, but it's it has the same kind of texture and feel and application like the NYX Ultra Slim Brow Pencils do. Next thing that I'm pulling out is this Miracle Balm by Mana, and this is basically a multi-purpose essential balm that you can use on your lips or your hair or your cuticles, and it's in this really pretty like bubblegum pink. I will have to admit that it's very thick and very greasy feeling, but I'm sure in the right areas this would honestly feel so wonderful. Like, I would love to use this on my lips. Like, it definitely has that kind of a little bit sticky, like a lip gloss feeling, but I'm sure in my hair this would honestly feel like really nice, and then kind of like rinse it out almost as a mask. It doesn't really have too much of a scent, which I honestly don't mind. I do have to admit that the sample size is really small, but I think the color and the packaging is really cute. And the last thing that I received is a sample size mascara from MAC. This is MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. I love this mascara so incredibly much. It's such a nice mascara, and it literally does wonders for my lashes. So I really hope other people got this mascara too, because it's an amazing mascara. And I'm not like a huge, like, I've never really tried a whole lot of MAC products, but this is a MAC product that, like, one of the very first MAC products I ever tried, and it completely won me over. So that is everything that I got in my December Birchbox. I have to admit, this is I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about this box. I'm really glad to see like a name brand that we all know and love, MAC, and I love the hair product that I got in this box. And it was really, really nice that I received the brow pencil. So I had to say 3 out of the 5 items isn't terribly bad. Everything else in the box, I don't honestly... It didn't really feel that much different like from any other subscription box that I've tried, but I would love to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. What was your favorite product that I received in my December Birchbox? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.